I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the place itself. Open Roblox Studio, pick a template that matches your game loop, and import prefabs from the toolbox. Once done, focus on layout. Drag spawn points, platforms, and simple props to shape player flow. You do this now because a clear physical space guides later behavior and monetization. Make sure to enable plugins like Model Resize and Terrain tools to speed construction. These replace scripting for many interactions and let you iterate visually. Now you add gameplay using Roblox's visual systems. Attach click detectors to objects for pickups, place proximity prompts for doors and chests, and use constraints for puzzles and moving platforms. You'll animate NPCs and players via the animation editor, then connect UI buttons to actions through properties and events configured in the Properties panel. Because you're working visually, test frequently in play mode to observe cause and effect and refine timings, which is faster than writing and debug. Finish by polishing visuals, optimizing performance, and publishing. Reduce part count, bakelighting, and set game icons and tags to attract players. Once done, publish the place and configure access, developer products, or passes visually in game settings. If something breaks, isolate the offending object, run play solo to reproduce the bug, and check the output panel for errors. Often a disabled plugin or a misset property is the cause. Make sure to keep iterative backups so you can revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.